Hello and welcome back to. Today we're diving into an important topic for anyone looking to work, study or invest in the UK self-sponsorship and how it fits with the Tier 2 visa requirements. Let's break down everything you need to know, starting with who exactly needs a sponsor.
The Tier 2 visa in the UK requires sponsorship for a variety of groups. If you're a student, worker, entrepreneur, or investor planning to enter the UK, understanding sponsorship is essential.
Let's go over each of these categories briefly. First, as a student, you'll need a sponsor, typically a university or educational institution. For workers, sponsorship often comes from your employer. Entrepreneurs and investors may need sponsorship from authorized bodies or other organizations that meet specific UK criteria.
But what exactly is a sponsor?
A sponsor is essentially a person or organization that agrees to support you financially during your stay in the UK. They'll also help verify that you meet specific visa requirements.
Sponsors aren't just anyone. They must meet specific eligibility requirements set by UK immigration authorities and provide you with a sponsorship certificate. This certificate is a key part of the Tier 2 application process.
So, how do you go about finding a sponsor?
Good news! There are several ways to secure a sponsor. You can take the initiative to find one yourself, which is common for skilled workers or entrepreneurs. If you're a student, your educational institution typically sponsors you. Alternatively, recruitment agencies or direct employers can also act as sponsors.
Next, let's go over sponsorship rules specific to students.
If you're coming to the UK to study, you must be enrolled in a recognised university or college. Additionally, you'll need a valid student visa and must meet academic requirements to ensure you're progressing in your studies.
This means maintaining good grades and attendance. It's not just about getting in, it's about staying on track academically.
For workers, the requirements are a bit different.
To work in the UK under a Tier 2 visa, you need a legitimate job offer from an employer willing to sponsor you. This employer will provide you with a certificate of sponsorship, which is essential for your visa application.
Plus, you must meet minimum salary requirements, which vary depending on your role and industry. Make sure you have a valid work visa and meet these financial thresholds.
To wrap it all up, understanding self-sponsorship and how to navigate these requirements can make your UK journey much smoother, whether you're a student, worker, entrepreneur, or investor. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone considering moving to the UK. See you next time on.